All right, my beautiful followers, good morning and welcome to today's class. In today's class, I want us to continue from where we stopped in this setup. If you remember, this setup is a motor starter in forward and reverse directions. So with this particular on switch, when you press it, this motor will turn in a forward direction, which is the clockwise direction. Then to stop it, you press the stop button and then it stops. And then for it to go in the reverse direction, you press this other switch and then it goes in reverse direction, and then you stop by pressing the same switch. And then also, whether it is in the reverse direction or in the forward direction, of course, when it is in reverse, this one will not work. So this morning, I want us to introduce one of the most important protection devices, which is called the thermal overload relay. So what happens here is that this is used to protect this motor from overheating. When this motor starts to overheat, mainly is high current that causes it. When it is overloaded or when you have any other problem that could lead to high current flowing into this motor. And when that happens, this senses it by making use of this preset here where you use to set your current. Here, this one is set to 2 amps. So when a current that is well above 2 amps flows through this device, it trips and disconnects whichever contactor, whether it is the forward, whether it is the reverse. It will de-energize that contactor, thereby disconnecting power going to this motor. And for us to connect it, first of all, we need to disconnect these wires going to the motor. And to do that, we need to slack out on this one, slack out on this one, slack out on this one, and then we pull the 3 wires out. So once the 3 wires out, the next thing we'll do is to insert our thermal overload relay. Just position it properly and insert it, make sure it is in. And once it is in, you start to lock it up. So first, I will start from the middle. So I'll lock this side up. When this side is locked up, I'll make sure that all the wires are in. And when I confirm that all the wires are in, I will start to lock up this one. And once this one is locked up, I'll lock up the last one, which is this one. And when that is done, the next thing to do is to connect our motor.